Mom and I both started off the day kind of in a funk, just kind of having the blues. But she came over and brought Lexi, and we decided let's get off our butts and do something. And I had plenty to do. So we chipped in and we both got a lot accomplished today in the garden. We planted the aloes that needed to go in, and let me tell you, that was a lot of work. Those things are really heavy, huge pots, but Mom and I found a way. We got those in. There were 3 of them. Got them in the ground. Packed them in good. While Lexi played in the background. Here it is, all put in. Mom hard at work. In the ground. And then we decided that wasn't enough. We were going to do more because there was more that needed to be planted. There were 2 leucospermum that needed to come out of their pots and put in the ground. So we did that too today. And I have to tell you, afterwards we felt so accomplished. We were beat, but it felt really good to get out there and actually do something. And just the feeling that the garden is going to prosper even more, having done what we did today, it's just such a great feeling. This is a typical day at work in the garden. It's a lot of work keeping up a garden, and I'm sure those that garden know what I'm talking about. It is a lot of work, but it's also a passion of mine. And so I thank you so much for watching the videos. And I wanted to put this out so you saw a little bit of what I do in the garden to keep it going. I hope everybody's having a great day, and God bless you. And Lexi Lou says, hey. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. Happy gardening.